Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now the recipe that I'm sharing with you all today is my restaurant style Paneer Tikka Kebabs. These little beauties are totally amazing and you're going to love these. So let me run through the ingredients quickly and then we'll start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need are 500 grams of pre-made paneer, which I've cubed into largish pieces. I've also got some green peppers here and some red onions, which I've also cut and cubed to fit the paneer. I've got some bamboo skewers, which I've soaked in some water. I've got half a cup of natural yogurt. I've got 4 tablespoons of mustard oil and half a lime, which we're going to use the juice of. You can use lemon as well if you wish. And the following ingredients here. I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds, which are also called ajwain. I've got 40 grams of butter and a 1/4 cup of besan, which is gram flour. Half a piece each of frozen ginger and garlic here, and a teaspoon each of chili powder, salt and garam masala, and I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So let's start cooking. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our butter straight in and just let that melt. And once the butter's melted, we're going to throw in the ajwain, which is the carom seeds. And then add the besan into this, the gram flour. And we're going to roast this until that really nice nutty, buttery flavour is released. So that's how it looks once it's done, slightly brown. And it smells really nice, and I'm just going to leave this now to one side and move on to the next part of the recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the roasted gram flour straight into a bowl, and then add the yogurt into that. Add all the spices, the salt, the ginger garlic, the chili powder and the garam masala, and the juice of the lime. And then give that a mix. And we just now need to make the tadka with the mustard oil and the turmeric, and I'll show you how to do that. So make sure your pan is really nice and smoking hot, and we're going to add the oil straight into this and let that heat up until it's smoking. So that is really nice and hot now. There's smoke coming off that. So I'm just going to turn my hob off, and I'm going to add the turmeric right into this. And just give it a quick stir like that. Leave it on the heat and then just add that straight in like that. And that's what's going to give the paneer that really nice yellow colour, and also the mustard oil is going to give that really nice authentic flavour to it. So just give it a mix. And now all we need to do is just add the remaining ingredients in, the paneer and the red peppers and the onions, straight in like that, and just give that a good mix. And make sure you coat all of those with that really nice, lovely marinade. So guys, the paneer's had an hour to chill in the fridge. Now I've also preheated my oven to gas mark 5, which is 190 degrees, and I'm now going to start to skewer these up. So what you want to do is you want to start first of all with a pepper. Just pop that on, and then grab your paneer, put that in, and then it's your onion, and then just repeat the process. So pepper again, and then paneer, and then just finish off the last top bit with a pepper, just like that. And just keep continuing to make these, and I'll let you see how they look once they're finished. So guys, that's how the kebabs look once they're done. I'm now going to pop these into the oven on the middle shelf and let them cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, and I'll show you how they look once they're done. Right guys, I've just taken the paneer out of the oven. Now, I did forget to mention that once it had 25 minutes of cooking time at 190 degrees, turn the oven on full whack and let that cook for a further 10 minutes. So total cooking time is 35 minutes. And I'm just going to plate this up and show you exactly how it looks. Right guys, here's my Paneer Tikka Kebabs all ready, and let me tuck into this and tell you exactly how it is. The kitchen, I can honestly tell you, smells amazing. Just that marinade is just, there's something about it. Right. Wow. Wow. The paneer is so soft. It just melts in your mouth. That mustard seed oil marinade that we made using the gram flour and roasting it, oh my god. And there's a pop of the carom seeds, the ajwain. Honest to god guys, this is so good. Perfect. That's brilliant. I absolutely love paneer, and if you're a paneer lover as well, you're going to love this recipe. Do give it a shot. Try it and let me know how you find it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have done, then please do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please feel free to do that also, and hit that bell button to be notified of any updates. I'll be back again with another video very soon. Till then, take care and happy eating.